Meal prep, since we can't really cook on right now. We got some bacon in there. Let me get this air fryer and get started. So this is the air fryer I will be using. See, family, today we're going to make ribs in the air fryer. This is the ribs. We got a couple of things planned for today. We're gonna meal prep. I then washed it with cold water, rubbed it, together and scrubbed it all off and stuff. So now we're gonna cut it into two. Be careful. I'm gonna use this one. I'll take this time. And for we won't have to pick it back up, we're gonna start flipping it down. Flip it on both sides. Then we're gonna grab this one. All we doing is getting a good layer. I can't tell you if it's a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon. I'm just saying move it side by side and bring it down. That's all I can tell you. Did I do this one? Make sure you get both sides. Black pepper. I say if you start coughing and sneezing, it's because you put enough seasoning on your food. If you don't cough or sneeze, you ain't got enough flavor on it. At this time, with this stuff going on, you probably don't, I don't know. Your household knows you, so, But for anybody else's house, don't do it, because you need all the flavor, and you will cough, you will sneeze. Only use one package. This is like the business. This package brings your cooking to a whole nother level. I'm using some salt. If y'all believe, I never liked this salt. I never cooked with salt until I got on this diet. I'm just going to put the salt on one side because I'm still getting used to salt. And then this right here, this, oh my God. Oh my God. Let me just tell you. Oh my God. That's all I'm going to say is, oh my God. Okay. And then we're going to put some of that on here. I'm trying to really use one hand because I'm going to have to wash all these bottles. Then and that's how we doing it, y'all. Just like that. Real quick. I did forget, you do want to put some kind of oil on it to keep the flavor on it, or it will like shrivel up and fall off. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil on there and we're gonna rub it in with our hands. That's it. That's it. We're just gonna massage it in real quick with the flavors. Put a little bit on the other side too.
Hey, I was on the phone. It just stopped. So 1 minute. I guess it's 1 minute. Ooh, that looks bomb. Hold on, let's pull this out. Oh, it ain't done though. It ain't done. What? No. So now my screen dirty because it fell on there, but I just switched sides. I put the bottom to the top. And it's not ready, so we're just gonna start it over. For 1 more minute. Let's check over here. So this is how it's looking. I'm about to show you what seasonings I put. I only put a little bit of black pepper and some other stuff. It's boiling. See the water from the cabbage? Didn't add any. Let me show you. This is all I added. Go as your family needs. I just put enough right on the top so it all could be covered. And that was it. Now, when this is done, we're about to do some nice steak. And I'm about to do some quick macaroni and cheese for my daughter because I can't eat it. I'm keto. But I'm about to do her some macaroni and cheese. Stay tuned. I'm just waiting for this to come into a boil. I put a little oil in there. It's not going to be how I normally make it, so I don't even know if I'm going to record this whole process because I'm missing like 2 main ingredients for this macaroni and cheese. But we'll see. So right now I'm just mixing it all up together. As you see, it's loosening up. And I'm just mixing it up. Trying to make sure it's still a lot of liquid in there. And that's it. Let's stir it up. So I just opened it to check on it. And I'm like, that looks done. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to flip it and let it finish with the 1 minute. So that'd be 2 minutes. That is a cook. Well, longer than 2 minutes. It's 59 minutes that this go up to. 59 minutes that it goes up to. So let's see. So 52 more minutes to go. So it goes up to 59 minutes. So yeah, that's what I mean. Not 1 minute. We have 52 more minutes. I just pitted the top at the bottom. I just switched it over again and I flipped them. So yeah, let's see. Come on, start over. There we go. So guys, I don't know if you could tell, but the water is basically there, but it's not there. So I think I'm going to add a little water. Let's back it up. Add a little water into here. Because this still needs about an hour. I think it needs an hour. The rub still has 39 more minutes. So let's add some water. So the water I'm adding is just 1 cup, coffee cup full of water. I'm just going to put that in there. And it's probably too much water. But I ain't taking no chances. And I need it to get soft quick. I am hungry and it normally takes about 2 to 3 hours to cook anyway. So yeah, we gotta keep it up in here. Put the top back on, let it steam, and see what happens. See, I was trying to show you the time, but it said 38 more minutes. There we go. So we count down with the cabbage and with the ribs, and then I need to start seasoning the steak, but I'm trying to wait because I'm gonna have to wash it and then put the steak in there. So the main ingredient is shredded cheese, and I don't have any, you know, and I can't go to the store right now because the store is closed due to these from my salads in there, right here. They're melting, but look at it. Let me see. It's a little watery, but it's still cheesy. So we're just gonna let it finish cooking. because I do have a fire on. We're going to let it finish melting. And then we're going to let it sit for about good 5 minutes. And the cheese get thick. Because you know, when you let it sit, the cheese get thicker and thicker and thicker. So we're going to make sure it's all melted. And then we're coming over here. That's looking very good. Oh yes, okay. Couple more minutes. Let's check the air fryer. Let's say 19 minutes. Oh, it's Mike telling me to flip it. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, baby. So let me flip these, and I'll be back. So I just flipped them. They're all the way down, but I'm going to let them get a little bit more crispier. It only has 18 more minutes. So we're going to cut this fire off because there's no more liquid, and we don't want our cheese. We don't want our cheese to burn, so we're going to cut it off. Keep stirring it for a minute. Yeah, that is very cheesy. A kid's dream, a grown-up's dream. Yes. So this is my daughter's plate. Sorry for the lighting, but there we go. There we go. She's gonna put her own barbecue sauce because I still love Sweet Baby Ray's, but I can't touch it because I'm keto. Got my own barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna just let her put the barbecue sauce on it. And this is hers. Now let's see mine. Couldn't find a picture of mine, but here goes some pictures of the future. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.